Good morning again. So I've rolled out my pastry. Today I'm going to show you two things. I'm going to show you how to use up the waste, the trimmings from your pastry. And I'm also going to show you how to do a cut pan chocolat. So basically I'm going to be using a tool. This is a tool from Tech. It's pioneered by an amazing baker, Peter Yan, a personal friend of mine. And it's called the claw because it does look like a claw. And what it does is it scores the pastry very nicely. When you rub it down the pastry, it just marks it very evenly for you. So the first lesson I'm going to show you is the trimmings at the end when I cut the pan chocolat. I've just cut them into little pieces, little bars, and I'm literally just going to incorporate them in the middle or at the very beginning of the pan chocolat, just to use them up. So you can see here, I cut them so that they fit on the inside. I'll put some more up here. There we go. I'll just put those aside for 1 minute. And then the procedure is just the same. I'm going to spray these with some water so that they stick well. I'm going to give my daughter a nice treat today. She actually loves pan chocolat. So I'm going to put 3 bars into each one today. So 1, 2, 3. And then I'm just going to roll it up with the 3 bars and a little bit of pressure down. So I'll put that there to one side. So again, 3 bars. You can see the excess pastry has been nicely used up in the middle. I'm going to press that down. 2nd bar. Roll it over. A little bit of pressure down. So you get the idea. We're using up all of the trimmings, so I have nothing left over. Nothing goes to waste. And at the end of the day, if you're running a commercial bakery, the money is ending up back in your pocket because you're getting an extra yield. So normally I would get about 12 chocolatines. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I have 17. So I've got 5 extra pastries by using up the waste, which is quite a lot of money. A really good quality pan chocolat could retail at about $3 or €3. So that's a nice little addition to your bottom line. And it's important when you cut the pastry, those little strips, that they're smaller so that they're not sticking out on the end. So those are the chocolatine using up the waste. So I'm just going to demonstrate 2 or 3 of the carved ones. So I've got 3 pieces of pastry here. I have a sharp knife and I also have the claw. So with the claw it's very simple. You literally just put the claw, you only need to go roughly halfway along the pastry and you make a cut. Just gentle pressure straight down and stop. Gentle pressure straight down, stop. Gentle pressure straight down and stop. And here's the trick. You then need to rotate it. You do not want to cut through, you just want to score it. So I'm going to reverse them and I'm going to put in 3 bars again because my daughter, Sophie, if you're listening, really likes her chocolate. I'm going to roll these over, and then as you roll them, you can see the shape. Okay, the cut is visible there on all sides. So you only need to cut about halfway. So I'm going to do another one. Then I'm just going to show you how to do it if you don't have the claw. You can score them with a knife. Equally as good. So that's the 2nd one. Now we do the 3rd one. So that's those. So freestyle, if you don't have a claw, you need to get a sharp knife, and I'm just going to do 2 examples here. And it's very important when you cut that you don't cut the edge. Okay, you cut inside the edge. So I'm going to start here. I'm just going to score nice little lines across. I'm never breaching the edge to about halfway up. And we reverse. I'm going to do the same here. Score, score, score. So use your eye visually and take your time to score it. Try and space them out evenly if you can. And don't cut out to the edge. So they're scored, and again I'm just going to put in the chocolate bars now. There we go. And you can see when I roll this one up, you get a very nice design that's going to open out, and it's going to give more crispiness to the pastry when it's baked. And here's the second one. And then the important press down. You need to press to make sure that the seam is on the bottom, and you end up with this really nice shape. So that proofs it's going to open out a lot more and give more surface area, so when it's baked it's going to be really crispy. So that's the hand carved one. This is the one using the claw, and that's the classic. 3 types of chocolatine or pain au chocolat. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.